So unfortunately, clean my lens. It's that time again. Once again, the Intex hot tub is in need of repair, and this time it wasn't the filters, but looks like our problem is this flow sensor. So see that? This is looks like the magnet or whatever makes the connection here for this sensor is no longer any good, and I don't know if I can get this part. Unfortunately, I think we're going to be at a dead end where, you know, something could be fixed for probably a $10 part, but since they don't make them available, well, that might be it. You're just getting a couple leaks. Maybe it's time for a new one. Maybe it's time for something better, but yeah, really, it's unfortunate that parts are not made available for this. Now look at this. What's this? Jelly. That's the aluminum from the heater deteriorating down there. Yeah, it's been leaking. I know. I was going to take the heater apart and clean it, but after I tried wrenching on those screws, I realized it would it wouldn't go back together. So, yeah, that's it.